Google just revealed something nobody was expecting, and it's a lot bigger than another update. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, sat down with Reuters and confirmed that Gemini 4 is now in pre-training. That means Google has already started building it right now as you're watching this. And what he said next is the part that should really get your attention. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Let me back up for a second, because if you're not deep into this stuff, pre-training might not mean much to you yet. Pre-training is the first big step in making an AI model. It's where the model reads through enormous amounts of information and starts forming patterns. Think of it like a student doing years of reading before they ever sit an exam. It's the slowest part, it's the most expensive part, and companies almost never talk about this stage out loud while it's happening. Google just did. And Pichai didn't stop there. He said Gemini 4 is a much bigger effort than any Gemini model before it. Not a small update, not a patch. This is their biggest training run ever. Think about that for a second. Google has more computers, more data centers, and more researchers than almost any company on earth, and they're telling us this is their biggest swing yet. A year ago, AI progress moved in small steps. Slightly better answers, slightly faster replies. A model might get a bit sharper every few months. Now, we're talking about entire new generations of models being trained one after another, sometimes at the same time. That pace didn't exist 2 years ago. Here's the part a lot of people are actually missing in this story. Gemini 3.5 Pro isn't even out yet. It's still sitting with partners for testing, and Gemini 4 is already training in the background. Two model generations moving at once inside the same company. Google also said they want to release new models faster, almost every month instead of waiting a year between big launches. Why does that matter for you? Because the tools you use for your business are about to update far more often than they used to. What worked last month might already be behind by the time you're watching this. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now let's talk about where Google is actually putting its focus, because this is the part that matters most. Two places: coding and AI agents. Coding means the AI gets better at building things: websites, small tools, simple apps, stuff a business owner could put together without hiring a developer or waiting weeks for one. Agents are different, and this is the part worth slowing down on. An agent doesn't just answer a question and stop, it goes and does the task. It plans out the steps, it uses other tools along the way, and it finishes the job with far less input from you than a normal chat would need. Picture this: you tell an AI agent, write me 5 posts about my business, then schedule them out for the week. A good agent doesn't just write the posts and hand them back to you, it writes them, checks them, and schedules them start to finish. That's the direction Google is racing toward, and it's a completely different category of tool than what most people have been using up until now. Now here's what Google has not told us yet, and this matters just as much as what they did say. No release date, no benchmark scores, no size of the model, no context window numbers. Anything beyond what Pichai said publicly is still a guess, so be careful with anyone online claiming to know more than that right now. But here's why this news matters even without those details filled in. The AI race has 3 main players right now: OpenAI, Anthropic, who makes Claude, and Google. For a while, some people were saying Google was falling behind the other two. Pichai's comments push back on that directly. This is Google basically saying, we're not out of this race, we're doubling down on it, let's bring this back to something practical, because that's the part that actually helps you day to day. If Gemini 4 delivers on coding and agents the way Google is hinting, here's what that could look like. Better research. Instead of spending hours reading through competitor websites one by one, you ask an agent to go through them and pull out what's actually working. Better content planning. You give the AI your topic and your audience, and it builds you a full week of posts structured and ready to review in minutes instead of hours. Better automation, tasks that used to eat up an hour of your day, like sorting through messages or writing the same kind of reply over and over, get handled while you're doing something else entirely. None of this is guaranteed yet. Google hasn't shown us the actual proof, but the direction is clear enough. Coding and agents are where the next real jump happens, and it's coming from more than one company at the same time. Let's talk about the honest part of this too, because I think it matters. Every time a new model drops, some people panic. They assume it means everyone loses their job overnight. That's not what history actually shows us. When new tools show up, most people simply learn to use them. And the ones who learn first tend to get ahead of everyone else, not because the tool replaced them, but because they picked it up before their competition did. That's really the whole point here. This isn't about some scary robot takeover, it's about who picks up the new tool first and actually puts it to work. Let's go one layer deeper, because this is where it gets genuinely useful if you manage even a small team. Imagine you're running a team of 3 or 4 people right now. A model built around agents means you could soon hand off entire chunks of work instead of single small tasks. Not just write me an email, more like handle the follow-up sequence for everyone who joined this month and check back with me tomorrow with the results. That's a meaningfully different tool than what most people have been using so far. We don't have proof of the final results yet. What we have is Google's word on the record, straight from the CEO, and that alone is worth paying attention to, especially with 2 other major labs pushing just as hard right now. Google just told us Gemini 4 is coming. The real question now is whether you'll be ready to use it the moment it lands, or wait to catch up after everyone else already has. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.